Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and I'm back with another stitch tutorial to show you how to make this really lacy, beautiful fabric that would be perfect for cardigans and tunics and lacy baby blankets, any kind of lacy blanket. It's an easy 2-row repeat and it works up super quickly. This is the front. This is the back, so it looks great on both sides. And if you'd like to see the full written instructions, they'll be in the description box below, as well as the instructions to speed up or slow down a video if I'm going too fast or too slow for you. And the timestamps will also be in the description box below, so you can jump to any row without having to sift through the entire video. So for today's tutorial, we are using I Love This yarn in Buttercup. It's a size 4 medium weight yarn. And we're also using an H 5mm crochet hook, but you can use any yarn, any size yarn. Just I recommend using whatever hook is listed on the packaging. And in order to create any type of pattern that you wish, you just need to start with a multiple of 9 chains plus 1. So let's get started. For today's tutorial, I'm just going to begin with a starting chain of a multiple of 9 for 27 and plus 1 for 28. All right, for row 1, in the second chain from the hook, single crochet, chain 1, you skip 3 chains, and in the 4th chain, we're going to work 3 double crochets, a chain 2, and 3 double crochets, all in the same chain. 1, 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then 3 more double crochets in the same chain. Chain 1, skip 3 chains, and in the next chain, single crochet. And that's the pattern we're going to repeat across. Single crochet in the next chain. For the first row, you'll always have 2 single crochets side by side unless it's the end. Chain 1, skip 3 chains. Now we're going to work our double crochets, chain 2, double crochets. Chain 2, 3 more double crochets in the same chain. Chain 1, skip 3 chains in the next chain, double crochet. And we'll repeat that one more time. Single crochet in the next chain, chain 1, skip 3 chains, and then we'll work the double crochets in the next chain, chain 2, 3 more double crochets in the same chain, chain 1, skip 3 chains, and in the last chain, a single crochet. That's row 1. Row 2, chain 3, and that counts as a double crochet. And for row 2, And for all the even rows, we're going to work a double crochet 2 together, and we'll go through that. I'll show you how to do it. So you'll skip the first stitch, skip the chain 1 space, skip this stitch. We're going to work into the center double crochet of the 3, and we're going to work just a double crochet in this first stitch. Chain 3, skip the next stitch, and in the chain 2 space we're going to work a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in the same chain 2 space. So single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in the chain 2 space. Chain 3, and here is where we start our double crochet 2 together. Skip the first stitch. We're going to be working in the center double crochet of the 3. You're going to skip all of this, and the second half of the double crochet 2 together will go in this center, so we're going to be bringing these 2 together, and I'll show you how to do that. Yarn over, insert your hook into that center double crochet, yarn over and draw back through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook into the next center double crochet, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and you just double crocheted 2 together, which will hold these half wheels together. See how they're kind of spread apart? This will pull it up and keep it straight. From here we'll chain 3 and repeat. Skip this stitch, work a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 3, and now we're going to double crochet 2 together again using the center double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, draw back through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the next center double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 3, and for the last part we're going to double crochet 2 together, but we're going to use the center double crochet from the previous row and this last stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the single crochet, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. And that is it for row 2. For row 3, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the first stitch. Now we're going to be repeating this first row here. Chain 1, and this time our 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets are going to go in this chain 3 space that we created. We're going to skip this space and work 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, all in this space. And all of these will be stacked on top of each other. Chain 1, you're going to single crochet in the chain 3 space, skip the center stitch, single crochet again in this chain 3 space. Remember how we had 2 single crochets side by side. And now we'll repeat the pattern across. Chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets in this chain 3 space, chain 2, 3 more double crochets, chain 1, single crochet in this chain 3 space, skip this stitch, single crochet in the chain 3 space, start again, chain 1, and in this chain 3 space, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Chain 1, and for the end of the row you're just going to skip the chain 3 space and work a single crochet in the top of this double crochet 2 together. That is row 3. Row 4, chain 3, turn your work, double crochet in the center stitch from the previous row, chain 3, working in this chain 2 space, we're going to single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in the same space, chain 3 again, double crochet 2 together using the center double crochets, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, double crochet 2 together, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, and for the last part we're going to double crochet 2 together using these last 2 stitches. That's the back, and that's the front. And when you're finished, you get this lovely, lovely stitch pattern. It's so pretty, and I love this buttery yellow with it. This would make such a pretty beach cover up. I really think it would. So thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what you think you would use this stitch pattern for. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!